Hello everybody for tuning in. This is my first YouTube video and we're going to be doing Pokemon card unboxings in this channel. And today for the first video, we're going to be doing Eternatus Vmax Premium Collection Box. So, let's get into it. I've been waiting for this for so long. So, let's open it up and see what it has to offer. We already got these two promos that are going to be inside of it. I don't actually know if they're promos, but they might be. Hey guys, by the way, I'm going to remain anonymous. I'm not going to show my face in videos. So, y'all can just see my hands and cards. That's what y'all will be able to see. And also, guys, I got some sleeves right here. For these two, and if we pull anything crazy in these packs. So I'm going to sit those over there for a second. Let me just get this out. Alright, guys, here we go. The moment everyone's been waiting for. Okay, guys. What is this? So, guys, let's get these packs out. Got Darkness Ablaze, Sword and Shield, and Evolution's the one everyone's looking for these days. That's right, guys. I'm just gonna move this right over there. So put these right here. What we got right here? Some Darkness Ablaze, Rebel Clash, and Sun and Moon Burning Shadows. So that right there. And let's get these cards out, guys. Okay. First one. First one is, hold on, guys. There we go. Guys, it's textured too. Eternatus V. Let me grab a sleeve real quick. Oh, guys. Look at that, Eternatus V. Next up. Guys. Oh my gosh. Look at this, guys. Eternatus Vmax. Oh, guys, it's a little bit out of focus. Eternatus. That is insane. Alright. Let's sleeve this bad boy up. Sit him right there. Because now, I think we get into some packs. Let's start with some Darkness Ablaze. Because I'm sorry if there's some loud noises in the background. We got some. This is some people working. There's the code card right there. Let's do our card trick. The card trick everyone knows and loves. Is that? Nope. Is that? Okay. And then, there we go. Alright, let's see what we get in this first pack. Fire Energy. Hiding Energy. Fletchinder. Gorthia. Starly. Skamery. Pansage. Electrike. Fletching. Ducklet, and a Swanna non-holographic. Let's get into our next pack. So we're going into some Sword and Shield Rebel Clash. Alright, hold on. Having a little bit of difficulties. Oh, there we go. Alright, guys. Come on, guys. Alright, there we go. I got it. So let's jump right on into this pack. There's the code. 1, 2, 3, and a 4. Wait, whoops. Okay. Go. Steel Energy. Speed Energy. Metapod, Heloslink, Indicant, Shink, Sandygas, Roly-Coly, Stunky, Sandygas, and a Trevenant non-holographic. Here's some Burning Shadows. Everyone's looking for that Rainbow Rare Charizard GX. Very low chances of pulling it. Whoops. Let's just do it this way. Easier way. So, alright. We got code card for everybody. Alright. We got Lightning Energy, Simsage, Noctowl, Dusclops, Magikarp, Coconut, Pikachu, Pansy, Charmander, Porygon 2. Oh, guys, let's go! Northern GX. All right, let's get this thing into a sleeve. Let's go, guys. Northern GX. Sit that right over there. As we get into some Sword and Shield, Darkness Ablaze. Code. Alright. Psychic Energy, Parasect, Togepox, Big Parasaur, Clink, Ducklet, Mareep, Paris, Gothia, Craftblaster. Oh, guys, my first Galarian, Galarian Slowbro V. Let's go, guys, 2 in a row. Get this thing into a sleeve real quick. Nice. Alright, let's get into some Sword and Shield base set. As we're saving the best for last, Evolutions, which will be after this. Alright. Right. Psychic Energy, Bead, Hitmonlee, Rare Candy, Scorbunny, Nickit, Chinchou, Diglett, Ferroseed, Drampa, and a Durant non-holographic. Alrighty, guys. Evolutions. Alright, guys. Let's get and obviously, Evolutions has that amazing looking first edition artwork on it. There's the code. I'm sorry if I do the card trick wrong. I don't know the card trick in Evolution, so for future Evolutions openings in the comments, let me know what the card trick is. Okay, Raticate, Trainer Switch, Machoke, Full Heal, Rattata, Growlithe, Nidoran, Vulpix, Sandshrew, Revive. Yeah, we definitely did the card trick wrong. But Revive, guys, that was a good card opening, let me tell you. Let me show you the pulls. Galarian Slowbro, Northern GX, Eternatus Vmax, and Eternatus V. So guys, that is it for this card opening. See you in the next one. Bye!